Hello and welcome to another exciting tutorial. Today's tutorial will be on how to install VLC Media Player. Just ignore the fact that I'm installing Nero in the background. So open up the internet. Today we'll be using Google Chrome for this. So here we are, straight at Google. So just simply, to find VLC, simply type in VLC. And then it is this first link. Will take you to their website. Download VLC. Now this will download it for Windows, so it'll take you to SourceForge. It'll count down 3, 2, 1, 0, and then it'll come down the bottom here and we'll start the download. So now I'll clip the video and wait for it to finish downloading. Welcome back. So now the file has fully downloaded down the bottom, so we just click here. Oh, we don't even have to click there, we just click on it. It'll come up with run. Yes. Minimize. English, because I speak English. First sort of guidance window for the wizard. Next. We'll leave all that. Install it to the default. I like to show the details and see them all go through. So now we will wait for this to finish. So now that that's finished installing, we'll just click next. It'll run the program. We'll click save and continue. That's all just about downloading stuff, and now it is installed. There's a nifty little icon here on the desktop. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.